Hello guys, welcome to Fact Maniac. Today we are going to talk about all the suits that Captain America wore during his battles throughout his decade-long journey in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. His first film in Marvel Cinematic Universe was Captain America: The First Avenger, which released in 2011. After this, he had two more sequels of Captain America series and four Avenger movies. He also played a small cameo in Spider-Man Homecoming movie. His journey as Captain America ended in the Avengers Endgame. So talking about his suits, let's start. Stars and Stripes, Captain America: The First Avenger. This was the very first suit of Steve Rogers, which was given to him soon after the Super Soldier Serum was given to Steve. The doctor who recruited Steve for the experiment died in an ambush by a Hydra spy. The general of US Army considered it a failed experiment, and Steve was made a stage artist to build up the morale of the soldiers. He wore this suit at the time during his stage performances. Suit of his first battle, Captain America: The First Avenger. This suit up of Steve Rogers is nothing much. He just wore a leather jacket and pants on the top of his Stars and Stripes suit. He wore this when he had to rescue Bucky Barnes and some other soldiers of US Army who were captured by the Hydra. He completed this mission by going rogue because this was a matter of life and death for his friend Bucky. The Army Official Suit. This was just a normal suit which he wore in a party. This is in our list because this was the party on the success of the first mission of Steve Rogers, saving his comrades and destroying Hydra's research lab and base. First Battle Ready Suit. After the success of the first mission, Steve Rogers was geared up. It was seen that the steel shield proved handy during the combat, so Howard Stark developed some other advanced shields. Among those lied there the vibranium shield, which he picked up and fought with it till last. This was the first time when we saw a complete action-ready look of Captain America. Battle of New York Suit. This suit was given to Steve Rogers by SHIELD after he recovered from his ice coma after 70 years. He fought Chitauri Army and Loki wearing this suit up. It was a bit modified form of his very first Stars and Stripes suit. He never wore it after the Battle of New York, and it was given to the museum for its safekeeping. The Stealth Suit. This suit was given to him by SHIELD to conduct rescue operations. It was shown in Captain America: The Winter Soldier movie when he went to save hostages in a ship captured by a group of terrorists. Battle of Sokovia Suit. This suit was used in Age of Ultron movie. It was an upgraded version of the same stealth suit. Apart from color, the chest part of this suit was made so strong that it could take on the finger lasers of Ultron, and the forearms had electromagnets powerful enough to attract the shield if it gets little bit far. Nomad. This was the new form of Captain America which he developed after the events of the Civil War movie. This look of Captain America was called Nomad in the comics. This was the rogue form of Captain America, and he was declared fugitive by the government at this time. In this suit, his forearms were covered and star on his chest along with the shield were missing. Although he got another type of vibranium shield from Wakanda during the Infinity War movie because they had a battle to fight with the army of Thanos. The Time Suit. This is a suit that every Avenger who survived the snap wore. This suit was creation of Tony Stark. It was infused with PEM particles so everyone could travel through time via quantum tunnel to gather the Infinity Stones before Thanos and bring everyone back who was wiped out of existence by Thanos. Final Battle Suit. This is worth mentioning because this was the most epic scene of Marvel's Infinity Saga, as it included all the Marvel characters introduced in the past 11 years. In this battle, Captain also said his most epic dialogue of the comics, Avengers Assemble, for the last time in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed our video, then please like the video. Thank you for watching.